Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back with a brand new mail day unboxing video, and today we got a package here. It's a Chinese package. So yeah, let's get right into it here. Just gonna cut the tape. Tape on this side. Alright. Okay, this is what I thought it was. Awesome. Here is the SH Figuarts Spider-Man PS4 knockoff version. I will be reviewing this either later this week or next week. It really depends on like how I feel, you know what I mean? Just going through a couple of different things right now. So yeah, another look at that. He actually looks pretty decent in there. He's not looking too bad. And I have to pop him out and play with him, you know, see what he's all about. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it was such a short video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!